Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming Docker Engine and Docker Compose are installed, then choose a slim Python base to keep images small. Create a concise Docker file that installs only dependencies, copies code, and sets a clear entry point. This speeds builds and reduces attack surface. Once done, build the image with Docker build tmlapp, latest, and run a container with V to mount datasets. Make sure to test the container locally before adding GPUs or orchestration. You now extend the image for acceleration. Pick an NVIDIA/CUDA base that matches host drivers, so CUDA compatibility avoids runtime errors. Install heavy libraries in a single RUN to reduce layers and use a cached wheelhouse to speed rebuilds. Multi-stage builds keep the final image lean by copying only runtime artifacts. Once done, expose ports, pass through device flags, gpusall, and validate with a small GPU test script to confirm CUDA. You finalize by orchestrating containers. Define services in Docker Compose or Kubernetes with resource limits, health checks, and persistent volumes for checkpoints. Test end-to-end. Run a short training job, verify outputs, then validate inference endpoints. Make sure to add structured logs and basic metrics so failures are visible. If things go wrong, check container logs first, then GPU visibility and dependency version mismatches. One quick tip: rebuild without cache to force a clean dependency install and rule out stale layers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.